Wake up to your power. Every great transformation begins with a choice. Not tomorrow, not next month, but today. The truth is, your future isn't something that just happens. It's something you build, one decision, one effort, one action at a time. Today's choices are laying bricks for tomorrow's reality. So ask yourself, are you building a prison or a palace? Chapter 1. The illusion of the right time. Waiting for the perfect moment is the enemy of all progress. You won't wake up one day suddenly ready. You have to start messy, start afraid, start uncertain. Progress lives in action, not in thought. If you begin now, even imperfectly, you are further ahead than someone still waiting. Start now. Start with what you have. Chapter 2. Habits are stronger than motivation. Motivation fades. Life gets busy. Emotions swing. But habits? Habits stick. Build a system, not just a dream. Wake up at the same time. Read one page. Walk 10 steps. Do it daily until it's part of who you are. Success isn't sexy, it's often boring, repetitive, disciplined effort. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Chapter 3. The stories you tell yourself. What you believe shapes what you become. If you keep saying, I'm not good enough, guess what? You'll never be. Change the story. Tell yourself, I'm improving. I'm learning. I'm growing. Turn that inner critic into your inner coach. Silence the doubt. Build confidence through evidence, by showing up, every day. Chapter 4. Build or break, there is no neutral. Every action is a vote for the person you want to become. When you skip the gym, that's a vote. When you binge on junk instead of learning, that's a vote. But when you push through resistance, when you journal, when you say no to distraction, that's a powerful vote. Small actions compound. Every step matters. Chapter 5. Failure is feedback. Failure is not the end, it's information. It's a teacher. The most successful people in the world have failed more than most ever tried. Don't hide from failure. Don't fear rejection. Use it. Let it guide your next move. Every time you fall, get back up stronger. Chapter 6. Rebuild your life from scratch. You might feel broken, stuck, tired, but remember, you can start again. No matter how far you've fallen, you are not finished. Clean your space. Fix your sleep. Hydrate. Move your body. Read books. Create routines. Start over, not because you failed, but because you learned. Chapter 7. Protect your energy. Your environment shapes your success. Surround yourself with people who feed your energy, not drain it. Audit your circle. Unfollow negativity. Make space for silence, gratitude, and clarity. You don't just need time to grow, you need peace. Chapter 8. Create vision, not just goals. Goals are targets, but vision is direction. Where do you want to go in 5 years? 10? What kind of person do you want to be? Write it down. Speak it out. Live it daily, with intention. Today is the first page of your new story. Stop looking back. You're not going that way. Your power lies in now, in this moment. What you do today